Typically, when you encounter a PDF embedded on a website, you can simply right-click on it and select Save As to download it as a PDF document. However, sometimes this option is disabled or does not work. If you find yourself in that situation, do not worry. We have a reliable method to retrieve that PDF. First, navigate to the web page where the PDF is embedded. Once the page is loaded, press the F12 key on your keyboard. This will open the browser's Developer Tools. In the Developer Tools window, locate and click on the Network tab. Within the Network tab, ensure that All is selected in the top left-hand side. Now, you will need to refresh the current page. You can do this by clicking the Reload Page button, usually found at the bottom of the Developer Tools panel. After the page reloads, the Network tab will display a list of all the files that were loaded to render the page. Scan through this list to find the PDF document. It will likely end with a .pdf extension. Once you have located the PDF file in the list, right-click on it and select Open in New Tab. Your browser will then open the PDF in a new tab. At this point, you should see a download button, typically an arrow pointing downwards, which you can click to save the PDF directly to your computer. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.